Good day. North American Aerospace Defense Command has issued a statement um, that says NORAD conducts routine intercept of Russian aircraft approaching air defense identification zone. This was on their Twitter, coming out of Colorado Springs. The Alaskan region of North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, detected, tracked, positively identified, and intercepted 4 Russian aircraft approaching the Alaska Air Defense Identification Zone, ADIZ, on February 14th, 2023. What in the world is going on? What is going on? So, Russian aircraft remained in international airspace and did not enter American or Canadian sovereign airspace. So, North American Aerospace Defense Command, they were able to catch it. They were able to set up and they're good. Um, Trying to come over to Russia, Putin wants Russia. Uh, there's been claims, allegedly, that that's what he wants, but they caught it and they're putting out a statement to us. For them to put out a statement to us, um, it's good because they're letting us know, but it makes it seem pretty serious that these things are actually happening. That they're having to stop Russian aircraft from coming over to Alaska. Um, They said NORAD also assesses that this Russian flight activity is in no way related to recent NORAD and U.S. Northern Command operations associated with airborne objects over North America during the last 2 weeks. You can check my other videos where we are talking about that. NORAD employs a layered defense network of satellites, ground based radars, airborne radars, and fighter aircraft to track and identify aircraft and inform appropriate action. So they're basically letting us know that they remain ready. This is 2023, and this is what's happening. Uh, uh, Stay connected, like, share, subscribe. I'll be bringing you more of this information on real estate, on land. Right? That's what it comes down to: real estate and land. Uh, Russia's looking at Alaska like, yeah, and they're trying to get it. But don't worry, the North American Aerospace Defense Command uh, is watching Alaska.